Chapter 2. Parts of a plant. A plant has two main parts, the root system and the shoot system. The root system is the part of the plant that grows below the ground. The shoot system is the part of the plant that grows above the ground and includes the stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Parts of a plant. Leaf, stem, root system, flower, fruit, root, shoot system. The root system. The root system is the part that grows under the soil. Types of roots. There are two main types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. This system of roots has a single, main, thick root. Small roots grow from this single root. Carrots, beans, and mustard have taproots. Fibrous root. Unlike the taproot, the fibrous root system has many thin, bushy roots. Rice, wheat and grass have taproots. Functions of roots. Roots help the plant to stay strongly fixed in the soil. They take water and minerals from the soil to help the plant grow. Some roots store food for us to eat. Radish, turnip, beetroot and carrot are examples of such roots. The stem. The stem is an important part of the shoot system. The shoot consists of the stem, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Functions of the stem. The stem carries water and minerals from the roots to all the parts of the plant. It provides support to the plant. Leaves, fruits, buds and flowers grow on the stem. The stems of some plants store extra food. Sugarcane, potato and ginger are examples of such stems. Herbs such as mint and coriander have soft stems. Trees have strong, thick and hard stems called trunks. Coriander has a soft stem. Neem has a hard stem called trunk. Leaves. A leaf is the green part of the plant. The flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade. The leaf blade has many veins running through it. The veins make a pattern on the leaf. They keep the leaf strong and give it shape. Functions of a leaf. Leaves make food for the plant. They use sunlight, water, and air to make food, thanks to a green substance called chlorophyll. The chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight needed to make food for the plant. Leaves give out a gas called oxygen. Humans and animals breathe in oxygen to stay alive. Some leaves store extra food for us to eat. Cabbage, spinach, and coriander are examples of such leaves. Flowers. Most flowers are colorful. Some flowers have a sweet smell. They help the plant make seeds, which are important for growing new plants. The color and smell of flowers attract bees, butterflies, and other insects. Some flowers store food for us to eat. Cauliflower and broccoli are examples of such flowers. Some flowers change into fruits. Fruits. Some fruits are sweet and juicy. Fruits protect the seeds inside them. Fruits, such as peach and mangoes, have only one seed inside them. Fruits, such as pomegranates and papaya, have many seeds. Seeds. Seeds are of different shapes and sizes. Wheat, rice, kidney beans, rajma, corn, almonds and walnuts are seeds. We use seeds such as mustard and fenugreek as spices. Each seed has a baby plant inside it. This baby plant comes out when we place it in soil. The baby plant grows if we give it sunlight, air and water. The process of growth of a plant from a seed is called germination. Words I know. Root system, the part of the plant that grows below the ground. Shoot system, the part of the plant that grows above the ground. Taproot, a system of root that has a main root and small roots growing from the main root. Fibrous root, a system of root in which the plant has many thin, bushy roots. Trunk, strong, thick and hard stem of trees. Leaf, the green part of the plant. Leaf blade, the flat part of the leaf. Chlorophyll, a green substance that absorbs sunlight and helps leaves in making food for the plant. Germination, the process of growth of a plant from a seed. To sum up, the root system and the shoot system are the two main parts of a plant. The root system grows below the ground. The shoot system grows above the ground and includes the stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Taproot and fibrous roots are the two main types of roots. The stem is an important part of the shoot system. Leaf is the green part of the plant. Leaves make food for the plant using sunlight, water and air. Flowers are the colorful part of the plant. Fruits protect the seeds inside them. The process of growth of a plant from a seed is called germination.